Are you ready to revolutionize how you connect with your Telugu-speaking customers and take your business to the next level? Today, we're diving into Aisensy, a powerful platform that's changing the game for WhatsApp marketing and customer support. Explained simply in Telugu for you. Aisensy is a platform designed to help businesses like yours automate and optimize your WhatsApp communication. Imagine being able to send personalized messages to thousands of customers instantly. This tool empowers you to send promotional campaigns, provide instant customer support, and share important updates, all through WhatsApp. Think of it as your 24 hours customer service representative. With Aisensy, you can track the success of your campaigns with detailed analytics, see which messages are working best, and adjust your strategy for maximum impact. Understand your customer behavior like never before. Whether you're running a local kirana store or a large enterprise, Aisensy can be tailored to fit your specific needs. It's versatile and scalable, growing with your business. And the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily create message templates, manage your contacts, and automate your workflows. By using Aisensy, you'll improve customer satisfaction, boost sales, and save valuable time and resources. Your customers will appreciate the instant support and personalized communication. So, are you ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp marketing for your business? Visit Aisensy.com to explore all the features and start your free trial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.